I tried to stop it from falling all over my privates.
So it just fell out of you? Why didn't you...
On June 6th, 2026, what began as a bizarre call about a woman smearing feces on a public sidewalk was about to unfold into something much bigger, a case that raises uncomfortable questions about mental health, public safety, and how officers are trained to handle a crisis they clearly don't fully understand.
Open the door.
Brandy, let's just talk, okay? Let's just talk.
Alright, well I moved on myself, I'm just trying to rinse my swimsuit off. Moved all over myself.
Brandy, what's your last name? Yes.
Yates.
I'm being great at food for a reason, right?
Come for you. Push. No for you, Brandy.
Brandy, hurry up.
I'm going to the bathroom. He just came in. Raping me for the sake of touch it. Put shit in my front hand.
She's the one that always says everybody's raping her.
I keep the voices that she's being raped. Are you quiet?
So how many people were in? It's just her. Her shoes are off. So where's the other one?
Well, maybe there's no one there, but they thought there's somebody else.
Her shoes are off. Nobody's in the easy check.
Where did she throw it? She didn't throw it at anybody, but she smeared it down the sidewalk, and then I guess she was like shaking her hands off, and it looked like it might get onto somebody.
So it's not a it's not a
Let me see if Chad has like a tool.
She will come out.
So it's not a
No. Yeah. Nobody actually saw her naked, so I guess.
It's just a signal setting.
Signal 20.
Yeah. 25-7.
Yeah.
Alright, you coming out or am I opening this door?
I don't even have time to rinse my clothes off.
Okay, am I opening the door or are you coming
I'm
out?
on the way.
What's that?
I'm on the way. I'm getting my shoes on.
Come on out.
Come on, Brandy. Come stand over here for me. What's going on?
She didn't throw poop at anybody, right? Did you see him throwing poop at someone?
He was the one that witnessed it. He said he was walking out there and slinging her finger.
Did you see her throwing poop at someone?
What I saw was her reach on the back of her pants, pull it out, smear it on the ground. I walked by there. She was walking down the street and with that hand, gesturing, like flinging.
Okay.
So I didn't actually see it hit anybody, but there's something going on there.
Those actions offended you, though, right?
Sure. Yeah. I mean,
She did it.
you know the art gallery with the giraffes down here on Front Street? Right in front of there, you can see the feces.
Next to the train station, or
Yeah, but she
In
grabbed it
between
and then
Front
smeared
Street and
painted on the
Station.
sidewalk, and then he saw her walk up the feces.
Pay close attention here. Not a single witness actually saw her throw anything at anyone. What officers are working with is second-hand accounts assumptions and a woman who is visibly in the middle of some kind of breakdown. And yet the narrative of the case is already being written.
Art gallery on the left with the giraffes.
That should be enough. We'll get his information. He's offended. It's immoral.
I just want the community safe. Like,
where did she defecate on the sidewalk?
I just told you, dude.
No.
Can you go show me?
Yes. Like what part of it?
Can you show me where?
Yeah.
You have your ID with you, Brandy? Well, obviously we know who you are, but just in case, let's just get your information. Is your ID out of Florida?
Montana.
Montana?
Yeah.
Can you explain everything that you explained to him?
Yeah, so this woman was walking down this street out here, we were standing in a store and we could hear her screaming. And so, of course, look out. And there was 3 black girls walking on this street, and she was like screaming the N-word at them. She thought she knew them. Like she was like, Brandy, Brandy, trying to act like you don't know who I am, and kept calling them the N-word. And like finally these girls got out their cell phone and just started like recording her as they were still walking. And eventually they walked towards the end of the street and stopped. It was like a medical dispensary or something. Like there was an owner or somebody standing out of that corner, and they just went and like was pointing at her
On this street?
on this, yeah, right down this street. And then we were standing at that store. We came in here, and the next thing you know, we heard her yelling, and I was like, oh shit, that girl came back up the street.
Okay.
And so then she came up here.
Can I get your information?
Sure.
Okay.
So, Brandy, what happened down there?
I don't know, I just went to the bathroom. I don't know, maybe I have heat stroke or something.
You know, we have multiple saying that you are wandering around with a poop in your hands.
I didn't have my poop in my hands. I tried to stop it from falling all over my privates.
So it just fell out of you? Why didn't you couldn't hold it any longer?
No, somebody was hitting me.
Ah, okay. That's why it was loose and it was falling out.
Yeah, somebody was like shoving their poop inside me.
So once you took it out, what did you do with it?
It fell out of my pants.
And then?
Yeah, it just fell out and it's on the ground.
And you picked it up?
Well, some of it.
And what did you do with it?
Threw it away.
Threw it away? Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
Stay right there, Brandy. Going off.
Was there a second person in there in the bathroom with her?
I don't know.
Oh.
No. We had multiple people call about her.
Brandy, listen, this is what's happening, right? So, bunch of people were offended by your actions.
Okay.
So you have to come with us.
Okay.
Turn around, put the hands behind your back.
Can you raise your right hand? You swear and affirm the statements you gave me the truth to the best of your knowledge? All right. Awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Can you stand normally? Come on.
Brandy, will you stop? Stand up.
Okay,
Stand up, Brandy. Walk.
Brandy.
Let's go, Brandy. Resisting. Yep.
Elevator. Elevator.
Be careful, there's a group
Yeah.
right there. Imagine people coming out from the elevator.
She jumped over.
Yeah, she just fell. Alright, Brandy. Come on, let's go.
Should we go to the back way? Well, let us.
The cars are up front.
That's
Okay.
fine. Okay, come on.
Lost her shoe. I know how we're gonna do this.
You want to grab her or the shoes?
You want to grab her? I can grab her legs if you want.
Yeah, let's
I mean, it's not gonna look good either way. Where's your car? This one right here?
Hold on a second. My shoulder's sore. Gosh. So gross.
Yeah.
Taking a dentist?
I got one of those taco things in my car.
A what?
Like the taco things you put on your seats.
Can you bring it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.
She was following a group of black girls yelling the N-word, and now she's resisting too.
I think she needs medical clearance.
Why?
I know the way she's behaving.
She's not going to answer any of the questions.
This line right here says it all. The officers themselves suspected a mental health crisis serious enough to require medical clearance. So why did the response still end in handcuffs, restraint, and a jail cell instead of an actual clinician? That's the question this case never quite answers.
At the jail, they're going to put her in a gown.
Okay, ready? Okay, lift her up from this side.
Come on, Brandy. Stand up.
Come on, Brandy.
Get up.
Don't resist.
I'm not. Stop.
You are resisting.
Stop.
Okay,
Get up.
sit then. Brandy.
Brandy, sit up. Act like a
My
grown
name's
up.
not Brandy.
Okay, Miss Butterfly.
My name's not Butterfly either, or Miss.
What's your name?
What's your name?
How would you like us to call you?
I'm never asked for you to call me.
What do you want us to name you by?
That's all she had, right? Nothing in the bathroom stall? Okay. Brandy, are you gonna walk with us upstairs or we have to carry you again? I would really appreciate if you can walk by yourself. Can you do that for us? Do me a favor, step outside. Brandy, can you step outside, please? All right. And lock the door, close the door.
Any keys?
Yeah, I got the keys.
Come on, Brandy.
Hello. Okay, let me turn this way. Okay, you could have walked yourself, you know? Yeah. She was grabbed the poop out from her behind and smeared it all over the sidewalk, so her behind is still dirty. Just be mindful.